Hello, I am Bruno Una, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate the use of the new Euclidean Rhythms plugin to generate complex drum patterns in Ardour. So what we have here is a new session in Ardour, completely new. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to generate the MIDI instrument that I want to receive the events. So I'm going to use the famous Red Zeppelin drum kit, and I will also generate one MIDI bus with no instrument associated that will receive an instance of the plugin. Let's call it Euclidean. And of course I want the output of Euclidean to be the input of Red Zeppelin. So the last thing I have to do is to embed an instance of the plugin here. Here it is. How does it sound? Let's see. I'm gonna activate the recording. Let's change the note I'm gonna play. This one, for example. So what we have here is, if we have a beat with if we have a bar with 8 beats and we need to distribute 4 on beats of this bar, how can we evenly distribute them? Well, that's what you're hearing now. That's easy. But what if instead of 4 on beats we have 5? How do we distribute 5 on beats in 8 bits as evenly as possible? Let's hear. Oh, that's interesting. Let's compare that with the metronome. One more thing that we can do is rotate the pattern. That is, instead of starting where it is starting, let it start one beat or one beat after or one beat before. I can play, for example, with the velocity of the note. Now I'm gonna create a duplicate of this bus. And in the second one I'm going to modify the parameters. Let's say the note will be different. That one, for example. But let's use, say, 7 onsets. Now, let's use 3. Let's add some symbols. I'm going to create yet another copy. Let's remove the metronome to appreciate the complexity of the pattern. And as you can see, with only 3 instances of the plugin, we can create really complex and very interesting patterns. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for your attention, and I'm hoping that you will find this plugin useful. Let's make some music!